So new project here with the Solid Wood Worx design rear boxes for the 3rd gen 4Runner. We're assembling them now. We've just got finished cutting the wood. Still got the drawers to do right there. So I'll show you when it's done. And I think it's going to be pretty good. Okay, we pulled it out, and I'm gonna get ready to just put a coat of polyurethane on it. I really like the wood finish, so I think I'm gonna just keep that for now. I'm just gonna do the surface areas because it's gonna be in the vehicle anyway. But the idea I have is to put down a surface sort of like carpet, not glued down, just to have like something to kind of protect it. And if I want to eventually do, carpet on it, what I could do is sand it down and just add carpet. So there's tape on the hinges, and I'm going to get that going. Okay, so this is the finished cabinet, and I'm going to put it in here. I just want to show you what I did. I took a Husky liner that I got as a gift and really just trimmed it out so I could have the hooks exposed, and this will just give me a good sort of like barrier so it's not sitting directly on the interior. When I set it on top of this, I've got the hooks in the back exposed also, and I'm just going to zip tie it in. I put some hooks there, but right now I've just got these boat rope anchors in, so that's what I'm going to use to secure it. And those are the zip ties are like 175 pounds rated each, so they're pretty sturdy. Okay, here's the final product installed. It is looking pretty good in my opinion. Solid Wood Worx, on their plan, they measure, I think, pretty much to get you the maximum space inside your vehicle. So kudos to them for the plan. The carpet on top is not glued down at all because I wanted to keep that wood finish. I really do like it. So it's still there. It's just got a non-skid pad, and it is cut to form all around. It's bounded as well, so if I get anything on it, I can pull it out, shampoo the carpet, and use it again, just put it back in there. Still has full access to all the cubbies. Just lift this up, and there you go, both sides. Yeah, also that's where it's tied down. That is a 175 pound kind of weighted tie down. It's on all 4 sides as well, so this thing is not, going anywhere. It is in there. The drawers, since I had that one open anyway, that's there. Got the false tops in. I need to probably put some oil on that just to kind of preserve that, but there's a tool bag, and yep, looks pretty good. The slides I put in are 150 pound. That's what they're rated for. That was probably the only pain part of the whole installation, was getting the slides perfectly, even on each side. But if you follow the plans, they tell you how to do it, so it's it's not too bad. Beyond that, I do like the way it came out. So no longer my bags just sitting out there, my stuff's just sitting in the back. So thanks to Solid Wood Worx.